Happy Mother's Day to every mother, caregiver, and spiritual mom. You are God's masterpiece in motion. Your love reflects His heart, your strength shows His power, and your sacrifice mirrors His grace. Proverbs 31 says, "Her children arise and call her blessed." So today we rise. We call you blessed. We honor you not just with words, but with deep gratitude for the light you bring into this world. May the Lord bless you, keep you, and refresh your soul as you have refreshed so many others. You are deeply loved. You are chosen. You are covered by grace. Happy Mother's Day.